Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify image loading optimization with Glide on Android. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify image loading optimization with Glide on Android, you'll first need to set up your Android project. Begin by adding the Glide dependency to your app's build.gradle file. Sync the project to ensure all dependencies are properly added. Next, open your layout XML file where you will include the image view. Add an image view element to your layout, specifying an ID for easy reference. In your activity or fragment, locate the onCreate method. Initialize your image view by finding it with the ID you specified. Prepare a sample image URL for testing image loading. Use Glide to load the image into your image view. In the Glide method, include appropriate options for caching and resizing. Consider using .placeholder to show a temporary image while loading. Add .error to handle any issues during the image loading process. Implement a listener with .listener to track loading success and failure. Run your application to observe the image loading behavior in real time. Check the logcat for any Glide-related messages to understand performance. Review the loading times and the display quality of the images. Adjust Glide settings as needed for better optimization based on your observations. Test with various image sizes to compare performance outcomes. Finally, confirm that the image looks crisp and loads efficiently across different devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.